203 is in front of you.
6200.
Control 6194, put my call on hold. This vehicle isn't going anywhere. You can show me a route over there as well.
6294.
Fuck.
8308 Control, we have medical advice as well as energy and out expedited.
Control Charlie Top 5, deputy service.
Choice on 5.
Frank 14866 Robert. Vehicle 19500. And in the radar 305 312.
We have medical en route.
Hi, Hispanic. Definitely.
Copy. Which way are you on the 215?
We're 215 westbound. Northwest of Gibson. So between Gibson and Stephanie.
Copy that. And I'm sorry, you cut out. What's the approximate age?
He's got to be like 12 or 13 perhaps.
Copy.
8304, I'm going to start medical, CPR and stuff like that. Can we also get them to shut down to 215 westbound?
Okay, sorry, copy.
Where's the GSW? Is there a GSW?
Yeah, that's my truck.
Oh, really? Okay. The suspect is in custody in 83H truck.
You guys want me to move out of the freeway?
No. We got the suspect in custody in his truck right now. I just got here.
Yeah,
Probably. What happened?
I don't know. I literally was black. Between these two, it started like I saw it way back at Gibson.
Okay.
And they were just doing this shit all over, fucking in and out, passing each other in the
Sure.
emergency lane. And then it got up here, and they were behind me. Then they were in front of me. I mean, it was just back and forth. And then it got here, man, and this guy was in this lane, and he comes up on this side and then hits him, and that's when it knocked him into this dude, and then that's where we are.
Okay.
I didn't know anything about whatever happened in the back seat, dude. I didn't know any of that existed until right now when we just stopped.
Okay, what car were you driving?
This is mine.
Okay,
yeah.
and then that guy was driving this car?
This
And then, what car was this guy?
Lexus.
Okay. And then where's this guy?
In custody.
Okay. And so, did you see any gunshots or anything like
I
that?
had no idea.
Okay.
I thought it was just some road rage and shit happening, you know, back and forth, man.
Okay.
But like I said,
Hey, you got gloves? Oh, fuck you. Yeah, it's a GSW. I think he's... It just happened.
What happened?
Road rage shooting. We got the suspect in custody back over here. It's all still preliminary.
Hey, we're working him the whole way. Take whatever you need. Take a ride.
Sure, 8304. They're going to be transferring him to UMC. They're working on the kid right now. They're going to take him to UMC Trauma.
It's fucking, I want to kill that guy.
Jesus.
My partner's coming. He only speaks Spanish. Your partner speaks Spanish. You want me to follow them to UFC?
Yeah, please. Because Henderson's coming anyways. Sure, 8304. I got a CC unit with me, right? What's your call sign? CC203 is going to be following in the ambulance to UMC Trauma. I don't know. Let's see when they close the door.
Okay.
What did where's the 413?
I haven't got that far yet.
Okay. Where was he? What car was he driving?
This is the suspect vehicle right here.
Okay. Sure, 8304. It's going to be Henderson Rescue 85. They're going to be going to UMC, and 203 is going to be following.
All right, good enough. Fuck it. Hey, where is that guy?
Huh? In back of the car. Sorry, say again. Rescue 85 from Henderson is going to be transporting, and CC203 is going to be following behind him all the way to Trauma. No, CC203 is following. Do you have plates? Copy. Do you have a suspect plate? It's Arizona William Sam Adam 122. I didn't search the car. Did we make sure we double patted him down or searched him?
Yeah, I patted him pretty good. He said his gun was in his car, but I don't want to dig.
I don't see anything in plain view. Let me just look again. Just
I don't know if you know already, but you following the ambulance officer.
passenger side. We got 8304. We got a 413 custody too. It's still in the car, leaving it as is.
I have a 413 in custody.
Yeah, firm. We found it. It's located on the passenger floorboard of the suspect vehicle.
Who else was involved?
Driver, father of the child, suspect. It's all because of the road rage.
Yeah.
Witness.
Was in this?
Witness. No. Suspect car's right here. Hold on. The driver. That one is the. All right, let it. Where's his phone?
Take all the stuff out of his pockets.
Yeah, we'll search him. Let me get a bag. Oh, I don't have my car.
I got it. Actually,
All right.
I'll grab it back. Hang on one second.
Yeah, just step out of the car real quick. We're gonna. No worries.
This is NHP's primary on this, right?
Yeah, that's my.
This is gonna be Henderson.
Oh, Henderson.
It's a 420.
Yeah.
I do have shorts on.
Okay.
Go ahead, 3 or 4.
So you need to take.
Don't worry.
The mother is acknowledged for lighting a white Dodge Durango.
Do we got Henderson coming out of this? It's 420.
The mom's in route.
White Dodge Durango on your right.
Spread your feet.
So the black SUV and that blue car, they're both parking on for the road rage.
You want to take my hat too?
Yeah.
This gentleman's a witness. Okay. And that gentleman up there is a witness.
Okay.
So I
I have an undershirt on.
Okay. All right. Yeah, just go ahead and sit back there.
And the juvenile is in.
What's your name?
That's Tyler.
Tyler. All right, Tyler.
And this is the suspect. You guys have detectives coming out, or you guys look at yourself?
I don't know. I just.
It all just, dude. This just happened within 15 minutes. We're picking up cars for transport. So.
Okay.
I didn't Mirandize him yet, but
Okay.
he's spontaneous utterances, so they're going to arrest me. I shot that kid.
Yeah.
And the pistol is on the floorboard in the blue car.
Okay.
And mom's in route
Do you
too.
want me to get any of these guys on the voluntary on your paperwork?
I was gonna say I'll go grab paperwork for him and I'll get him on statements. I don't.
For now, we'll just keep him here.
Yeah, if we could just keep him here for 1 second.
Yeah. Oh, kid is with UMC Rescue 85, CC2R3,
I
the
think we
park
have a
police.
West Side unit
Okay.
going out there.
Yeah, our park. No, we didn't get a name. The one is suspect's property.
Did you get his suspect ID out of there?
I didn't get his ID yet. Oh, let me get his ID.
Good find me that.
Yeah.
He needs the name of the victim.
Something to me. You just told him.
Okay.
He's got the name.
Right here, they ended up, so they ended up coming out all the way here, and literally, because this kid's trying to keep going.
Yeah.
And so he ends up turning and just kind of smashed
Yeah,
into
because his
him.
right foot looks like his
Yes.
left.
Anyway, I went the other way and I ran clear back this way because I heard it. So.
But yeah, I mean, I had no idea, no gunshot. I didn't know anything about any of that until literally right now. I would think out because they were really aggressive.
She's coming here.
But the kid, so Brandon didn't get 10 years old.
He used to work at Silverado, right?
Yeah. Primary guy, so the more times people tell the story, and then you got to
What's that? He does, yeah.
Yeah, I had no idea any of that. I just thought it was a road rage deal driving to work on a Friday, man. Like,
Well, it wasn't really a gunshot.
yeah.
I had no idea that like he tried. Me and him, he just came out like all around.
Were you ahead of him? Or?
I was ahead.
He was in front.
Was this all caught up?
Yeah.
But I've seen it like what he was saying since back there before Blitzer. So
Sure, buddy, come to the